What's good, people? It's your boy Cali back with another video. So today I want to talk about DogeGF. DogeGF is really down right now, people. And to be honest, these are the times where people do not buy. And this is the worst decision you can make, is not to buy cryptocurrency right now when it's in the red. A lot of people don't understand. 2030, they plan on changing everything, right? A lot of cryptocurrencies will not be around when regulations happen. A lot of our favorite cryptocurrencies, or ones that aren't our favorites, will disappear. We have to take it back to the .com era. There were maybe 200 plus websites that came out that just disappeared and left only a few. Think about Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, even Netflix. If people would have bought these projects back then and held on to them, would have changed their lives forever. But there's a lot of projects and websites that came out at the same time and disappeared. And I feel like the same thing will happen here with certain people's investment. Now, DogeGF is down 6.79%, and the volume is down 39.94%. And the reason behind that is not only because the market is down, but people who jump into DogeGF are now fearful. They're afraid. You can see by the way the chart looks on all the different type of drops. People are scared. Instead of visually zooming out and understanding what they actually hold, a lot of people sell. And this is what you're seeing. People selling, afraid. They see banks collapsing. They start to panic. They have no idea where the financial system is going, where crypto was going. Not understanding that a wealth transfer is getting ready to happen. And I got me, again, my biggest bag is DogeGF, but my word to y'all is, if it was me, I will 100% diversify if I can. Because it's not guaranteed that the cryptocurrency you invest in will pump in the next bull run. So let's just say, people, let's just say, what if DogeGF skipped this bull run? Are you gonna sell? Are you gonna be so mad and upset that it didn't do what you wanted to do and you just sell your position? What if it happens? I'm not saying that it won't pump in the bull run, but a lot of coins that people think are gonna pump, they're not. More than likely they won't do anything because it's not guaranteed. So my question is to you, if DogeGF doesn't pump, are you still holding on to her? Do you still have faith? Or are you selling? If you want to know what your boy is doing, I'm holding on, no matter what. And if Bitcoin decides to drop a little further, I don't know, 15,000, I'm buying more DogeGF. Just hang in there. You hold on until it reaches the price point you need it to reach. And always diversify. If you feel like this video was informational, people, share it with somebody else. Enjoy the content. Subscribe to your boy. I appreciate it. I'm up out of here. Peace.